Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Opera browser on REALME 10 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open a Google Play Store, then in the top search find Opera. When it's ready you'll be able to open this browser, and now we can customize different settings. So first thing is to enable notifications. We'll need to also allow permission for that. Next is to set Opera as the default browser. Simply click right here. I'm gonna skip it. Next thing is to agree to share your data with Opera. I'm gonna allow it. And now the browser is ready. We can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.